Hi friends, welcome to the next tutorial. So in this tutorial we'll concentrate on using this async task, how to deal with this list view. So last time using this async task we deal with this basic registration and login. So today we'll concentrate on how to get the list using this async task. So this is a URL. So first we'll check this URL in a postman, so it is working or not. So this is also this post, so post request. So here we have single parameter for this, so I'm pasting that in a body. So this is this. So here I'm changing this, so and this is. So I'm now clicking on this one, send request. So this is working. Okay, it is success. Total we got here 67 records. So it is, we are getting the data here in the data array. So here each item we have this 3 items. So now our intention is just titles will show in a normal list. So that is our intention. So just we'll get this list from here, this. So for this, here we'll do this program. So normally see here our regular, like how we are doing this regular way, we'll create one project here. So just I'm creating here one project that is here. So I'm creating one project from here. So that is a new project. So just I'm creating as a name of JSON list. So just I'm changing workspace. So click on finish. So once the project is created, directly in onCreate method we'll start from JSON object, means what if we are doing this regular code for this one. So we'll start like this only. So project is creating. So this is project is creating. Once this project is created, so directly first I'll write the Java code, then finally we'll add that into list in a list view. Then we can assign this data from this what we are getting in Java response, that we can to list view. That list view we can add in a final step, but first we'll deal from here this. So still project is creating in this progress. So still the Gradle is building. Okay. Okay, done. So this is here it is created with this Kotlin, so but I don't need this Kotlin file, so I'll create with one of Java file which is here. So I don't need this Kotlin, so I want to write this tutorial with this Java. So because of that, here I'll create with this with the Java file. So that is on the name of main activity only I'm creating this. So now I'll delete this Kotlin file from here. So for this just what are the default method, I'll write this extends compact activity. So then it should use this, I'm writing this onCreate method. So in this onCreate method, set content view. So set content view. So set content view. See, normally up to this, normal when we create this project, it should create normally up to this. So done. So now here, from here, this I'm expecting the list while opening the page itself. So because of that, directly I'm writing here JSON object. So something declaration JSON object means for every web service program, this is a common first. So here I want to pass this variable. So here we have this one key and one variable, one key only. So that key we can copy and paste here. So this is the, see for that key here, this is the key and this is a value. So both I'll copy from here. So this is the key and this is the value. So both I copied and pasted here, key and value. So then after this, here outside of the try and catch, here I am creating one method, that is this class, that is this load list. Just I am creating as a load list, something equal to new load list. So like last time what we created, this is the normal way I am creating as the, so just we created this load list. So now with this name I create. Before this I want to execute here. This is load list dot execute. So in this I am executing the JSON object. So that JSON object dot toString. Then with this name I am creating one class. So that is this. So I'm not creating out class. So I'm creating using this inner class. So I'm creating this inner class. So inner class is created. Now this extends async task. So this extends async task. So async task has total 3 parameters. So here I'm expecting this return types as a string, string and a string. 3 are this I'm expecting as a string. So it has implemented method, that is a doing background. So doing background is created. So then before this I'll create this pre-execution. So pre-execution is created. So in the pre-execution always, we already discussed, that is always it is a common code. So that is here I'm writing this progress dialog code. So progress dialog equal to new progress dialog. So for this progress dialog, here we'll map with the context. So context is nothing but now this main activity dot this. So I'm writing this our context. So main activity dot this. Then here after this end of the statement, here this is the semicolon. So just I'm adding this semicolon. So then I'll write this regular for this. So that is this progress dialog dot set message. So set message. So just I'm typing here, that is a message as please wait. So just I'm writing here as please wait. Then I'll write as progress dialog dot title also. So set title. So on the title, so just I'm writing here title as content loading. So just I'm adding as this content loading. So then I'll write here in between, it won't be cancelable. So that should be, I'm writing this set cancelable false. So this already we discussed in a lot of times. So because of that I'm not giving this full description of this one. So this is, then here I'm writing this progress dialog dot dismiss. So once this is dismiss is done, here immediately you can write outside of this one, you can create the post execute, then immediately you can cancel this progress dialog dot. So that is dismiss. So here means once we get the success or failure message from the server, it can be closed. So again for this, like last time in what we created in that program, here also we need to create this, is this create one class. So that class is nothing but that is a JSON functions. So I'm creating here this JSON functions class. So JSON functions. So I'm creating this. So this JSON functions class already we discussed the last time. So that same here in this JSON functions, based on the JSON object, we need to create one method. So I'm creating this method, that is a public. So public static. So public static based on the JSON object. So here I'm writing this load URL, something I'm writing this load URL. So in this I'm passing two things. One is the string URL.